This is day 18 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. I'm restarting my Leetcode streak after unfortunately losing my 142-day streak. It was a bit of a bummer, but I'm back at it. So now let's move on to the Leetcode problems I tackled today. First up is number of ways to arrive at destination. Spoiler alert if you want to try it yourself first. Basically, you're given a city represented as a graph, with intersections and roads connecting them. Each road has a travel time, and you need to find the number of ways to get from intersection 0 to intersection n1 in the shortest amount of time. Since the number of ways can be huge, we return it modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Here's my solution. I used Dijkstra's algorithm to find the shortest paths. I created an adjacency list to represent the graph. Then, I used a priority queue to keep track of the nodes to visit, prioritizing those with the shortest time. Dist stores the shortest time to reach each node, and way stores the number of ways to reach each node in that shortest time. I initialize dist store to 0, and ways 0 to 1. Inside the loop, I check all the neighbors of the current node. If the total time to reach a neighbor is less than the current shortest time to that neighbor, I update the shortest time and the number of ways. If the total time is the same as the current shortest time, I add to the number of ways, taking the modulo. Finally, I return the number of ways to reach the destination, which is ways 1. This runs in OE log v, where e is the number of edges and v is number of vertices. Next Leetcode is count days without meetings. Spoiler alert, as always. You're given the total number of days an employee is available, and a list of meetings, each with a start and end day. We're trying to figure out how many days the employee can work without any meetings. The meetings might overlap. Here's the solution I came up with. First, I sorted the meetings by their starting times. Then, I iterated through the sorted meetings, keeping track of the latest underscore end of a meeting. If a meeting starts after the latest underscore end plus 1, it means there are some free days in between. I added those free days to the free underscore days count. Finally, I added any remaining days after the last meeting to the count, the number of days minus the latest underscore end, and return the number of free days. This runs in on log n time complexity, where n is the number of meetings. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below with any ideas for things you'd like to see in this series. You can also help me continue making videos by donating at buymeaboba.com, link in description.